Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And today we're gonna be unboxing the Razer BLACKWIDOW Gaming Keyboard. It has RGB in it, and it's pretty cool. For comparison, this is my old keyboard right here. I use it for my Xbox because it's not good for anything else. And this is my laptop keyboard. Good, but I mean it's not the best. So I got this. Thank you, Mom. And yeah, so this is the other side of it. It just tells you pretty much what it is and what it does, pretty much. So right here, you just pull out these two things. Like that. And then I'm pretty sure you just do with this. I mean, there's some things up here. I don't really need this stuff though, so yeah, we're just gonna skip that part. There's that. We just take off this. Okay, so I got it out of the thing. You just take off this. Okay, there we go. And then we just had to take off this like that. Oh, that's the screen. That's cool. Okay, I'm going to untangle this real quick. Right there, so I'm going to do this. Okay, so now it is undone. We're just going to plug it into my laptop, where this tablet would be charged. You just do that, and boom, it lights up colors. That is cool, and it changes too. So that's pretty nice. I'm typing out Minecraft. So overall, this is a pretty good keyboard, and I'm glad I have it because it's way better than this thing. So yeah. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching the video. And please subscribe, like, and comment down below if you guys like this video. And I see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. So I know that I was going to end off the video here. But look at this. This is on the different mode it has. It has like a bunch of different modes and stuff like that. And this is like the coolest one I found. And it's just like a wheel of colors, which is really cool. I'm trying to play Fortnite. I have to log in to it. But yeah, I keep you guys updated tomorrow and tell you guys all about it even more. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye.